Man, after watching this video, you're gonna need tips on how to get people to stop liking you, because that's how much everyone's gonna freaking like you. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Brett Maverick here. I hope you all are having an awesome day so far. If you like what you see here, I'd really appreciate it if you pull out your phones and follow me on Instagram at BrettMVRK. I put a lot of really dope stuff on there you won't find anywhere else. Have you ever met somebody that you just instantly liked, but you couldn't quite put your finger on why? Well, chances are that they used at least one of these tricks that you're gonna hear in this video to get you to like them. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to do the same and get people to like you within 30 seconds. It doesn't matter who. Men, women, a girl that you like, your boss, it doesn't matter because everybody will subconsciously have to respond to these tricks. So without further ado, let's get into number one. Number one is the law of state transference. The law of state transference explains that emotions are contagious. Whatever the feelings or emotions that the people we're around are experiencing are gonna transfer onto us. So when you meet somebody new, you want to be a source of positive energy and comfortability. So when you meet somebody, instead of just being like, "Hi, how are you?" you want to be more energetic, like, "Hi, how are you? It's great to meet you," and make them feel sort of special. Transference of emotions happens whether we like it or not. It is unconscious. So you're transferring your positive energy onto them without them even knowing it. So always be a source of positive energy and comfortability. Number two is the attraction bias. The attraction bias is to assume that people that are physically attractive also possess desirable personality traits. It's not fair, but it's unconscious and it happens every single time you meet someone new. You're always making those snap judgments about them, just like they're making judgments about you based off your look. So this accounts for everything from dressing well to keeping up on your physical fitness to one of the most important is your hair. Studies show that thinning hair can be a sign to some people of impotence and weakness. But you're in luck because in today's age, we have a way to combat that. So shout out to Keeps for sponsoring today's video. 2 out of 3 guys will experience some sort of male pattern baldness by the time they're 35. The good news, you can visit a doctor online and get prescriptions sent right to your house without you having to even move a muscle. No waiting rooms and no pharmacy wait lines. When it comes to hair loss, prevention is key. The best way to stop it is to stop it before it even starts. And that's where Keeps comes in. They're up to 90% effective at stopping further hair loss. So the faster you start, the better. Keeps has revolutionized the way men are treated for hair loss. You used to have to go to a doctor's office and get a prescription, but now you can do it from the comfortability of your own home. So the sooner you start using Keeps, the more hair you'll save. So act fast. If you're ready to take action and prevent hair loss, then go to keeps.com/Brett50 to get 50% off your first order for a limited time offer. I'll put all that in the link in the description. Go check it out and act now, guys. But the fact that you're on this channel is a good sign, so I know you're taking care of yourself. I know you guys are working on yourself to become the best version of yourself, so just keep going in that direction. You'll be good. Tip number 3 is to show genuine interest. How often do you meet somebody new and the conversation goes something like this? "Hi, it's nice to meet you." "Yeah, nice to meet you too. How are you?" "Good, that's good." It's just boring small talk with canned responses, right? And it consists of no genuine interest on either side. But in reality, people love talking about themselves and their interests. So if you can get them to open up a bit about themselves, then they're gonna like talking to you that much more. So when you ask them, "How are you?" and they say good, instead of just being like, "Okay, that's good," say, "Are you really good or are you just saying that?" And show genuine interest in how they feel or what they're interested in. Number 4, reciprocity. People like people who like them. Let me say that again. People like people who like them. Are you friends with people that don't like you? Probably not. And if you are, then why? So the trick is to show people that you like them. This could be by telling them that you appreciate something that they've done, or a skill that they might have, or a way that they act, or even something physical about them. But subconsciously, they'll feel obligated to return the favor in the form of liking you. And they won't even know that they're doing it because it's subconscious. So show people that you like them and they will show that they like you back. And number 5, the last one that we have for today is saying their name. When you hear your name said by someone else, it registers in your brain that you matter. It just adds a little personal touch to the conversation. When someone says, "Hey, it's nice to meet you, Mark," it feels nice, right? It feels nice that they remember your name and that all of their attention is focused on you for the moment. As humans, we all are attention whores. We like attention a lot. So if you could just use that small gesture, say their name repetitively throughout the conversation, it's gonna register to them that they matter and are important, important, and for such a small gesture, the payoff is huge. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, subscribe, turn post notifications on, check out Keeps to prevent further hair loss, and until next time, peace out.